Yo, we are Mother Nature.
Yes, your favorite educators, MCs, healers, dealers, and everything great.
And we are here to give a big shout out to 826 Shy for elevating the voices of our youth.
Yes, which is in direct correlation with the education that we do through the Miseducation of Hip Hop. We allow hip hop to really revolutionize what kids do and their genius and really explore it in a different way.
Not only do we explore mental health, but we explore entrepreneurship and scholarship as well. And if you'd like to learn more about the Miseducation, visit us at missedofhiphop.org. You can also find us at Miss Ed of Hip Hop on Instagram.
Yes, and follow us at Mother Nature Bars with a Z.
RSK, let it play, boy.
When I get what I want, I'm happy. When I eat candy, I'm happy. When I feel comfortable, I'm happy. When I hula hoop, I'm happy. When I watch cartoons, I'm happy. When I go at 1, 2, I'm happy. When I get the duck, take my gym teacher to the wall. You best believe your girl happy. When I get the silly string my prince about. When I get to try the costumes. When I get to do my homework, when I get to watch the Nutcracker, when I get to watch it in real life, when I get to be called cute, when I get to see my 9 horses, 9 chickens, 9 goats,
RSK, let it play, boy.
I got 20 turtles, 30 dogs in Michigan. Happy as a roller coaster, probably never frown again. Curious fun, what's your favorite style? Born with them all, why I crack a smile.
If you tryna ball, we can play around. Summertime shy, every day I'm out. Yesterday it rained, I was up and down. But right now I'm so happy I could touch a cloud.
When I get what I want, I'm happy. When I eat candy, I'm happy. When I feel comfortable, I'm happy. When I hula
RSK,
hoop,
let it
I'm
play,
happy.
boy.
When I watch cartoons, I'm happy. When I go at 1, 2, I'm happy. When I get the duck, take my gym teacher to the wall. You best believe your girl happy. When I get the silly string my prince about. When I get to try the costumes. When I get to do my homework, when I get to watch the Nutcracker, when I get to watch it in real life, when I get to be called cute, when I get to see my 9 horses, 9 chickens, 9 goats,
RSK, let it play, boy.
Shout out our homeboy Adrian.
Peace and love, y'all. We are Mother Nature, and this is Happy.
Yeah. Everything is.